Find or read reviews that people are talking about SunJack 40W folding portable solar panel charger with kickstands. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Rugged and durable. Designed for all weather conditions and environments. The waterproof ETFE exterior layer improves performance and durability. Extends the panel's lifespan and requires far less maintenance when compared to a PET exterior layer that is used by most portable solar chargers. The USB ports are waterproof rated IP67, the PCB is coated with a waterproof seal and the junction box is silicone bonded to the panel. Waterproof, shockproof, dustproof and drop-proof. Designed for all weather conditions and environments. Foldable, compact and portable. Comprised from 4 connected solar panels, the panels fold down to the size of a laptop and easily fits into most backpacks. The integrated pocket provides storage space for electronics and accessories, and its mesh design intuitively allows proper airflow to prevent devices from overheating. The elastic straps secure phones, power banks and more during storage and transportation. Powerful and fast charging speeds. With up to 40 watts of power, the monocrystalline panels with ETFE construction provide maximum efficiency and UV ray permeability. The 21V DC 5521 port, 25.1V open circuit voltage, provides enough charging power for most power stations and DC-powered devices. While the dual USB ports allow you to charge USB-C, PD 30 watt, and USB-A, 18 watt max, devices. The ETFE construction provides a UV permeability of 95% compared to 80% from PET, makes the panels more efficient than other solar chargers. Smart technology. The panel includes multiple smart IC chips allowing the USB ports charge simultaneously with the DC port, at the most efficient voltage, and provide the quickest, yet safest, charging speed. Short circuit, overload, overheat, overcharge, overvoltage, and current limiting protection. Automatic restore if shade occurs. Premium features and design. Includes everything you need for seamless charging on the go. The built-in kickstands allow you to angle the panels towards the sun or, alternatively, attach the included carabiners to the panel's grommets and hang the panels from different objects. The included adapter cable and DC plug adapters ensure compatibility with a wide range of devices. Multi-use. Compact enough to easily transport and powerful enough to charge most devices. Ideal for camping, backpacking, hiking, outdoor adventures and is essential in any disaster, emergency, and hurricane prep kit for survival. This panel can charge a wide range of electronic devices, including devices such as power stations that accept DC, as well as any USB device including your iPhone, Samsung, Pixel, iPad, laptops, power banks and more. An excellent solar charger for cell phone. Never be caught without power. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.